Have you ever wondered how you could get more energy naturally? In this week's yoga chat, we're going to be going over 3 simple things that you could start doing now to help you get more energy. This question was asked to us by Sarah, one of our email subscribers, and it reminds me of a time when I asked this question years ago when my schedule was insane. Now, I'll give you a little breakdown of what it was, and this was for 7 months straight. So Friday night, I would work at a restaurant, I would come home, and I would sleep 3 to 5 hours, sometimes less than 3. Waking up at 5:30 in the morning on Saturday, going to the police academy for 9 hours, and then rushing to my restaurant job and working there for another 8 hours, going to sleep for 4 hours, waking up on Sunday, working at the restaurant for 12 to 13 hours, and on Monday, I would pass out for 8 to 10 hours, and then I would go back to the academy Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And it was like that for 7 months straight. And in the beginning, the first month, I had no clue how I was going to be able to keep this up because I knew I had to do this for 7 months straight. So I looked up different information, and these are the 3 things that completely changed my energy levels, reset my stress, and helped me focus. 1, drink more water. Okay? It sounds silly, it sounds simple, okay? A lot of us, we don't drink enough water. We're dehydrated, and when we're dehydrated, it exhausts our brain. It exhausts our body, okay? Hydrating our body, especially if we're moving a lot, is so important. And it's something I neglected. It's something I forgot about. And start incorporating that. 2, eat healthier. Eat more greens, okay? Bring more fruits and vegetables into your diet. One of the best things that helps me out, like to get natural energy, are smoothies. My favorite smoothie to make is a bunch of kale, 1-2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed meal, a little bit of mango, and a bunch of water, okay? Drink that. Actually start to incorporate more greens in your diet. You know, start to reduce that processed food that you eat. It is amazing that, like, the food that we eat, the impact that it has on our health. The third thing, this is probably the game changer. This is what helped me get through the academy. This is what helped me get through less than 3 hours of sleep. And I do not recommend people getting less than 3 hours of sleep. I do not recommend people getting less than 5 hours of sleep. Unfortunately, based on the circumstances that we are in sometimes, we have to do it, okay? Like, it just is. I mean, if I wasn't working at the restaurant, well, then I wouldn't be making money. If I'm not making money, I wouldn't have a place to live. So I had to do it. So I just want to put that out as a warning. But the third thing that was the game changer for me was meditation, okay? Meditation. I remember reading a book on how to obtain more energy, and one of the tips was meditation. And I'm like, okay, let me try it out. I started meditating, and it was a world of a difference. And during that 7 months of that chaos, I would always meditate on Friday night when I came home at the restaurant, after the restaurant, no matter what, okay? I knew that I would be getting 3 hours of sleep, and I would still meditate for 20 minutes. Why? Because it made a difference. It allowed me to settle my mind. It allowed me to relax mentally and physically. And it allowed me to go into a deeper form of sleep. And I truly believe that was just, it really was life-changing. You know, meditating right before I went to sleep, I really felt like it allowed me to recover quicker, and it just gave me so much more energy. So to recap, drink more water, eat healthier, preferably smoothies, add that to the mix, add that in the morning. And 3, meditation. So now that you're aware of these 3 different methods, I want everyone to pick at least one of them to start incorporating in their life for the next 2 weeks. Either drink a little bit more water, either add more greens to your diet, or start meditating 5-10 minutes a day. Now, try not to just do everything at once. Gradually build up these habits. That is what's gonna allow you to keep them in the long run. When you do things little by little, everything compounds, okay? If you try to just take it on all at once, it's not gonna help, okay? And when you do it little by little, it has a higher chance of sticking over time. So try to incorporate these methods and let me know how they work out for you, okay? Take your time with them. Bring awareness to how they make you feel. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.